Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to teach you how I made this beautiful hair with just extension. It's just extension. So if you want to learn how I made this coil, get you your thread, the normal thread, the thread that you know for sewing, and please triple that thread. As you can see in the video, this thread I actually folded them into 3 parts so that it will be very strong. Then I knot it just like you're knotting your thread at the root there, where you want it to start from. If you want it from the scalp, or this one I braided it, so you can see it. I'm knotting it several times, knot it severally so that you secure it. Please, while knotting, let there be a small part of the thread that is extended. Then you start knotting some gaps. So we call it some gaps, like there should be some space. But before then, please, you have to roll the hair a little bit before you start spacing it, some gaps, the threads on it. Then please, if you're enjoying this video, I want you to click on the like button, comment. I want to hear your thoughts on what you think about this tutorial. Share to your friends, share to your family, and if you're yet to be a part of this community, please kindly click on the subscribe button to be a part of this wonderful community. Believe me, you won't regret being here. Thank you. So when you get to the tip, you leave a little bit of the hair extension out there. You see, I left a little bit of it so I can be able to pull the thread now. I can hold onto the hair, and while pinning it down, like you can see my finger place there, drag it. While dragging, please allow it some space to roll. You understand? Because you notice it will start rolling, so allow it some space to roll itself. While making this hair, combing is very essential. So you take out every rough edges, every rough part of the extension, you take it out so it doesn't interfere in what you're doing. Continue the same some gaps, continue the same some gaps. Secure your thread at the beginning of the hair, like roll it up to at least 4 or 5 times before you start the some gaps. Then you get to the tip, you leave a little bit, just a very little at the tip, so you can be able to hold onto it. Then you pull you pull until it is strong. Please feel the hair texture to ensure that it's strong. If you touch it when you're done pulling and it's kind of like soft, know that it will still unravel itself. You understand? It will still unravel itself, so it has to be very strong, like very strong, just like something that is blocked. You know that feel? Yeah, that's it. So I'm just showing you the little extension that should be left at the tip. You see how tiny that is? You can start pulling now. Yeah, pull until it is very hard. Pull until it is very hard. That's the reason I said you should triple your thread, so it will be strong enough, it doesn't cut while you're pulling. So like I had said earlier, touch the hair to feel it, to see if it is hard. If you touch it and yours is not feeling very hard, know that you didn't do it well. You should feel very hard, like a rock. You understand? So I just want to show you everything that I've done. So you see how beautiful this looks. It looks very pretty. So when I'm done with every of this hair, I will put it in hot water, then I will unravel it. I have to cut out the thread at the tip and lose it carefully to get that result you're seeing from the beginning of this hair. I hope this helps. Thank you and see you in my next video.